Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to one and all present here. So let us begin our session. So I request Mr. Gauss sir, Assistant Professor, MCA Institute of Information Technology, to recite the Khirat. Sir.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gauss sir. Now I call upon our Director, MCA Institute of Information Technology, Dr. Mudassir Ali sir, to deliver the welcome address. Sir.
Good morning to all. Distinguished speakers, faculty members from various institutions, and my dear fellow colleagues. On behalf of MCA Institute of Information Technology, it gives me immense pleasure in welcoming everyone to the 5 days International Faculty Development Program on exploring new frontiers in teaching tools, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. I extend my warm welcome to our guest today, Dr. M.V. Aishwarya Madam, HOD AI and DS Department, Agni College of Technology, Chennai. I welcome you, ma'am. I feel happy and proud to inform you that the registration count for the FDP is 2,531. I thank our faculty for their efforts in gathering so many registrations. It's a pleasure to have you all join us for this important event. Faculty development is crucial for an enriching academic environment, and today we gather to share insights, explore new methodologies, and enhance our skills to better serve our students and our institution. Throughout this program, we aim to provide valuable experiences that will not only support your professional growth, but also inspire innovative teaching and research practices. We encourage open dialogue, collaboration, and exchange of the ideas. Once again, I welcome and thank all the participants who have registered for this event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I take an immense pleasure in introducing the today's resource person of our 5 days International Faculty Development Program, Dr. Aishwarya MV. Dr. Aishwarya is working as an associate professor and head Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Agni College of Technology, Chennai. She has completed her Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science from RMK Engineering College in the year 2008, pursued her Master's of Engineering from RMK Engineering College in the year 2010, and achieved PhD in Computer Science Engineering from Hindustan University in the year 2021. Her achievements, she has received the Best Researcher Award 2023 and has been designated as Life Member of Tech Forum Research. It is a MSME registered, recognized by Government of India. She received the title Women Faces of the Year 2024 by the Fox Story India. She has published more than 50 papers in SCI, Scopus Index journals and conferences, UGC approved journals, etc. She has authored 12 international and national books with ISBN numbers titled Intelligent Machines, Understanding the Rise of Artificial Intelligence, a comprehensive review on general concepts and applications of artificial intelligence, to name a few. He has published 2 book chapters, indexed by Taylor and Francis, indexed by SCI. She has filed and published 12 Indian innovation patents, also got a patent design grant. She has been nominated for AICT National Award for Teachers 2023 by Agni College of Technology. As a mentor, she has applied to various proposals like 2 in Atal FDP, 6 in TNSCT, and proposals in Texman Foundation, and 2 proposals in TIDE, and they are in accepted stage. She has been sanctioned a funding of around 6 lakhs from Atal FDP and TNSCT. So now I kindly request Dr. Aishwarya ma'am to take over the session. Ma'am, it's all yours. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I have immense pleasure to come to our FTB, and I'm very grateful to Revati ma'am friend. And I thank our all the assistant professors teaching, non-teaching, our director, our principal, and all the associate professors of your college. So let me start the session. Very good morning to one and all present here. I would like to start my session on the topic revolutionizing education, unlocking the potential artificial intelligence in education. So myself, Dr. Aishwarya from Agni College of Technology, head AIDS department. So coming to the introduction, we just start with the definition of AI. So this AI has various significant advancements in various fields. So the integration of AI tools in the learning environment has shown many proven facts, and the integration of AI tools in the learning environment. Excuse me.
Ma'am, excuse ma'am, you're on mute, ma'am. Aishwarya ma'am, you're on mute.
Can you hear me now, sir?
Yes, okay, ma'am, okay.
Yes, thank you so much. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
So the integration of AI tools in our learning environment, it has revolutionized the way students and the teachers interact. So AI powered education PPTs have emerged nowadays. On those days, we used to use only the blackboard presentation, and the teachers used to use the chalk piece and the whiteboard or the green board to have the interaction in the classrooms. But nowadays, in significant advancements in various fields, we are using the AI powered education PPTs, so which is the cutting edge innovation and the power of technology to enhance the teaching and the process. So teaching and the learning process has significant effects by using the AI-powered education PPTs. So AI-equipped PPTs, they have it has been showing various benefits to both the educators and the learners. So here the learners are the students and the educators are the teachers. So these presentations can dynamically adapt to the individual learning needs of the students. So by analyzing the data and collecting the real-time feedback, these PPTs can personalize the learning experience to a wide range of learning styles and abilities. So what is AI? To be very precise, AI is we are going to make the machines think like humans and act like humans. So these integration of AI tools in the learning environment will be the best for the teachers and the students. So the use of AI, where can we use it? We can use it in which field? It can be used in various applications in all the fields, which creates the interactive and engaging content. So with the features like voice recognition and NLP, students can actively participate in the lessons and an understanding in a deeper manner of the subject matter in all the subjects. So this fosters a collaborative learning environment where the students can ask questions and receive instant responses, and the students can actively engage with the material. So overall, when I'm talking about the effects of AI, the integration of AI in education PPTs is going to represent a significant step forward in the technology to enhance the teaching and the learning practices. So the power of AI, the educators can create an innovative and the dynamic learning experience that caters to the individual needs of the students. As the field of AI continues to develop, we have further advancements in education, which is very immense and a transformative landscape for the future generations of learners. So as I told, how can you explain this AI? It is a technology that aims to replicate the intelligence, human intelligence in machines. So this is a part of computer science or a branch of computer science, and it focuses on the development of intelligent machines. It can perform the tasks without the human intervention. So in the context of education, it offers a various range of tools and techniques that can enhance the teaching learning experience. So the AI powered educational technologies, it can analyze and process large amounts of data, and it can identify the patterns and provides the recommendations to the students and the teachers. So we'll be seeing various different types of AI that can be used in the education field. So what would be the benefits of AI? I can make the students engaged and I can make the students motivated. So there will be an improved student engagement and motivation. Then I can use the AI. What would be the other benefit? Administrative task. I can do efficient administrative task by using the AI. Then personalized learning experiences. Then data-driven decision making. So if I wanted to make decisions based on data, I can this AI is one of the best uh, performance. It gives you the best performance, and it will enhance the accessibility everywhere in all the applications. So these are the various benefits of AI in education. Now let us go in detail. For example, I have there are four examples of AI in education. I have the intelligent tutoring system. So the names of AI is intelligent tutoring system, automated grading, virtual assistant, and smart content recommendations. So what does the intelligent tutor do? So this intelligent tutoring system is an application where AI-powered system can be used. It is going to teach like teachers. It is a tutoring system. It is going to give instructions and feedbacks from the students are being fetched. So a tutoring system is going to teach the students. Instead of teachers, we are going to make use of AI tutoring system, which instructs the students, and we can get the feedback from the students. And the second example of AI is automated grading. Generally, how do the grading system in colleges do? We sit and correct the papers, then the final marks to be entered in the software. This is the basic grading system in colleges. But using the automated grading, what does the AI algorithm do? It can access and grade the student assignments and exams automatically, so that we can save a lot of human and a lot of time, and we can do it quickly. The next example would be virtual assistant. As you know, there are various chatbots that are available, and it can answer the student questions and provides the support. So, various virtual assistants includes the AI-based chatbots. So, you can go for you can go and search for various AI chatbot. So, whatever question you require, you can just type in it, and the answers are being provided by the chatbots. So, these examples comes under the virtual assistants. The next one is recommendations, smart content recommendations. There are various AI algorithms that can recommend the resources based on the individual student needs. So, just like a smart engine, where we go and type in the question and we get a lot of recommendations from the Google. The same way, the smart content recommendations is this AI algorithm this is an AI algorithm that recommends you the resources. It can be used by both the students and the teachers based on the students and staff's needs. So overall, what can I say about AI? It has the potential to revolutionize education by providing the tools and techniques that can transform the learning experience for the teachers and the students. So what would be the role of AI? So as I told, it is a way where we learn and teach. So these technologies are transforming the teaching learning experience. Then it is going to offer the innovative tools and techniques to enhance the student engagement. And we are going to make the students keep them engaged. Enhancing the learning experiences, AI technology is going to personalize the learning process. How? By delivering the customized content based on each student's needs and the learning style. For example, a student needs quick notes, and in a short notes, according to his notes, AI technology is going to give him the materials, but the learning process can be done according to the style of the student. So through the intelligent algorithms, AI-powered learning systems It can analyze the students' performance data to provide the recommendations and the feedback. So according to the student's style, according to the student's own pace, and according to the preferred way, the AI technology is going to provide them the recommendations, personalized recommendations. Then we are moving to the involving the educational efficiency. So we have already seen one of the application is it can automate the administrative task. So administrative task, generally in colleges, we have some few assistants or few people who goes to the classroom and does some administrative work. Like attendance, they used to take it in a log register, and they go to the class, they sit and correct the papers and give the papers, then take it back. But these are being automated by using AI. So these AI technologies, they are automated to do the administrative task and grading and attendance monitoring, so that the teachers can focus more on they can focus more on the teaching learning process. So by streamlining these process, AI technology is going to give valuable time for the teachers or the educators, so that they can provide more personalized attention to the students, and they can give more knowledge in an interactive and engaging the classroom environment. So how do we conclude this? AI, it has the potential to revolutionize the education by innovative solutions, and it can enhance the learning experience and improve the educational efficiency. So these technologies are transforming the education and empowering the educators to better support their students. The next is benefits of AI. So as we have said, AI brings many new opportunities for innovation in the field. So some of the key benefits of incorporating the AI into education. Why should I bring AI into education? We are going to see some benefits. The first one would be enhanced learning experience. So AI powered tools can help in giving the better personalized learning experience to the students and the teachers. So based on the individual needs, the AI algorithms can give the content to each and every student and also the teachers, so that this allows more effective and efficient learning, as students can focus on a particular or their required attention. The next one is improving the teaching methods. So it can help the teachers, okay, in delivering the lessons and managing the classroom activities. So intelligent tutoring system is being handled by the AI. So it can provide the real-time feedback to the students, helping them understand the concepts better. So whenever you are going to give the real-time examples to the students through the AI technology, it would be very reliable, and it would be better than teaching through the blackboard or green board. It can also automate the administrative tasks, freeing up the teachers. And AI powered virtual assistant, it can be used to provide additional support to the students outside the classroom. So it can answer the questions, it can explain the concepts, it can monitor, it can be a guidance to you, and it will allow the students to continue learning even when they are not in the school. Then, we are moving to the efficient assessment and the feedback. So coming to the efficient assessment and feedback, there are traditional methods of assessment and feedback, but these would be time consuming and subject to bias. So what can this AI do? It can streamline all the assessment process. It can analyze the student responses, because we are going to get the feedbacks from the students, right? So it will be analyzing the student responses and providing the instant feedbacks. So what is the use of this? What is the benefit for the students? It can help the students understand their strengths and weakness, allowing them to identify the areas for improvement. Then, how do you automate it? By automating the grading process, it can reduce the burden on teachers and provide more timely feedback to the students. So when we are correcting and we are giving to students, and when we are interacting with the students one-to-one, it takes a long time. For example, if you are correcting and giving to the students and getting back, if it is taking around 1 week, this can be done in a single day by AI. So you can use the AI for automating the grading process, which will enable the teachers, it will help the teachers, and it is a more iterative approach to learning where the students can continuously improve their understanding of a subject. Then access to quality education. So where it can be where the bridge where is the bridge, where is the gap? So AI can bridge the gap between the students in the rural or the remote areas. So with AI powered online platforms, the students can access the resources, the materials which are not available in their region. Okay, when you don't have a proper library or when you don't have a proper system, yeah, all the students and the teachers can access to the quality education when they are in remote areas or rural areas. So this online platform, it can be acting as a bridge between the students, those who are in rural areas. So this increases the educational equity and ensures that all the students from all the backgrounds, they are being given a high quality education. So AI also has the potential to translate the educational content into multiple languages. Suppose in Tamil Nadu, when more rural people, they know only Tamil and they do not know English. AI is also having a translator where all the education resources are available in multiple languages so that they make the students learn and it is more accessible to the non-native English speakers and promoting the education. So, how do we conclude this? We can conclude saying that the artificial intelligence into the education, it brings much benefits and it can transform the learning experience from personalized learning to efficient assessment, and it has a potential to revolutionize the field of education, and it can help create a more effective learning environment. Then, improving the learning outcomes. So, how can the learning outcomes can be improved by using the AI? One of the key advantage of AI in education is to customize the learning experiences based on the needs. So it can receive the personalized instruction, and the individualized approach helps the students better learn and retain the information, leading to improved learning outcomes. Suppose a student is just asking a particular topic, this is going to give you the related content only to that particular topic. So the student can efficiently learn and he can improve his knowledge. Then educational softwares are available, AI-powered education softwares and platforms are available. It can also analyze large amounts of data to identify the patterns and the trends in the student performance. So I can use this software to analyze large amounts of data. Suppose I have a student database and I wanted to have a data-driven approach, and I want to make sure that teachers wanted to know the particular amount of particular data about the students. I can use an educational software to get that particular data, which is very time consuming. And wherever the students are struggling and wherever the students need support, this data-driven approach, it helps the teachers to identify the areas where it helps the student overcome the obstacles and improve their overall academic performance. Then, in education, it can the use of AI in education can promote actively and engaged learning. So it can create interactive simulations, then virtual reality experiences and gamified activities, which makes the students more enjoy their learning experience. And by making the learning process more interactive and interesting, this AI technology increases the student engagement and motivation, leading to better learning outcomes. So, by improving the learning, how to improve the learning outcomes? One of the three possibility ways is we can use the AI in education that can promote the active and engaged learning. Then we can use the educational softwares and platform, which can be used as a data-driven approach, which allows the teachers to identify the areas where the students are weak. And one of the key advantages, learning experiences based on the individual needs. Like, what would be the benefits of AI in improving the learning outcomes? As we discussed, we can make the students active and engaged learning through various experiences. Then we can have targeted support and intervention. Then we can have data-driven analysis of the student performance, which will be used by the teachers. Then we can have personalized instruction, and we can get the feedback from the students. So it has potential. So AI technology, it has the potential to achieve this AI empowers the students to achieve their full potential and transforms the way education is being delivered. So these are the 4 important benefits of AI in improving the learning outcomes. Let us come to the personalized learning experience. So in detail, when we are moving to the personalized learning experience, we are using various AI powered tools and platforms which has the potential to revolutionize the education by providing the personalized learning experience for the students. It can give instructions to meet the specific needs and preferences for the individual learners. So by analyzing the data on students' learning platforms, these AI algorithms automatically it will identify the strength and the weakness of the students, and it will allow and it will create a personalized learning path, allowing the teachers and the students receive the appropriate level of challenge and the support, maximizing their learning potential. In the AI-powered platforms, it can also provide a real-time feedback and assistance so that the students can navigate the difficult concepts and providing the additional resources when needed. So this helps the students to engage in the self-paced learning, and also they can have the control of their own education. So this is how AI keeps rapidly changing and evolving educational experience. Then, uh, by by leveraging the AI technology, education can move away from a one-size-fits-all approach and towards more individualized and student-centered model. So AI generally supports the student-centered model through various personalized learning experiences. The students can develop a deeper understanding of the concepts and ultimately achieve the better academic outcomes. So AI can also enhance the learning experience by making the students more engaging and interactive. There are various virtual assistants and chatbots that can simulate the conversations with the students, and it can give instant answers to the questions asked by the students. Then it can simulate the students' curiosity and encouraging the active participation. Then they also recommend the personalized learning materials and the resources based on the students' interests and the learning styles. So enhancing the student engagement. So we can see an example of virtual reality and augmented reality technologies. We call it as VR and AR. These technologies can transport the students to different places and time periods, allowing them to more explore and interact with the subjects in a more hands-on and engaging way. And these technologies not only grab the students' attention, but also make them to be more active and deeper understanding of the material. And AI-powered platforms and chatbots make the students engage with the content and the concepts in a more innovative way, in a new and innovative way, which gives the students learning experience and leading to better engagement and comprehension. Then we can also use the AI-powered platforms which can analyze the students' progress and provide the real-time feedback. So this enables the educators to identify the various areas. By addressing the individual gaps, AI technology ensures that the students stay motivated and engaged throughout their educational journey. So this implementation, the overall implementation of AI technology in education is transforming the learning experience by enhancing the student engagement. So the students are able to interact with the content in a more meaningful way, leading to a better, deeper way of learning. So by using AI, we can have uh, an increasing of efficiency. So it has revolutionized the field of education by providing the innovative tools and technologies that enhance the learning experience. So one of the key benefits would be the education is its ability to increase efficiency in various aspects of learning and teaching. So streamline administrative work. So it can, as we have discussed, there are various administrative tasks such as grading the assignments, then managing the student records, then freezing up variable time for teachers. The list goes on. So whatever the teacher does in day-to-day life, it can be streamlined with the AI programming. So this allows the educators or the teachers to focus more on developing the lesson plans, and they could provide individual support to the teacher, to the students. Then providing the real-time feedback. So one of the major example is the real-time feedback. So most significant advancements is in the field of education is the integration of AI into the teaching and the learning tools. This innovation has revolutionized the way the students receive the feedback on their work. So the feedback was provided by the teachers manually, which had lots of registers, which had considerable amount of time. Then with the introduction of AI, this feedback can be now offered in real time within few minutes, so that it can provide the students with immediate insights into their progress and where they can improve, where they are weak. They can improve their based on the areas, it can be improved. Wherever the student areas are weak, whichever areas are weak, it can be improved by using the real-time feedback. So that is one of the advantage. By leveraging the AI, the educational tools can analyze the students' work. Then it can provide a feedback, and these tools can also detect the patterns and trends in the students' performance, allowing for targeted interventions to enhance the learning outcomes. So these, what would be the different tasks done by the real-time feedbacks? It is going to allow the students to make the corrections, then improvements immediately, rather rather for waiting for the next assignment or the next exam. So this type of feedback is called as the dynamic feedback. This dynamic feedback system helps the students to grasp the concepts, and it makes a deeper level of understanding of the material. It also benefits the teachers as it reduces the workload in grading papers and valuable insights to the students' performance. Then by automating this type of feedback process, we can help the personalized support to the students and to the teachers. So integration of AI in education has transformed the learning experience by providing the real-time feedback. So this empowers the students to take the control of their own learning syllabus, and it helps the educators to optimize their teaching strategies. Supporting teachers. How does the AI support the teachers? It has various tools that can greatly enhance their teaching methods and overall effectiveness in the classroom. It can analyze the vast amounts of data to provide the variable insights, and it gives various recommendations to the teachers, help them tailor their instruction to the needs of the individual students. It can also assist the teachers in managing their classroom. So how AI-powered tools can automate the administrative task, and it gives time for more activities such as planning the lesson, how the students can be given importance, um, how the students can be engaged. It gives teachers to focus on what they do the best in teaching. It can also help the teachers differentiate the instruction by providing the personalized learning experience. It can help the students learn at their own pace. There is also another AI algorithm, AI powered PPT, which can also be a valuable tool for the teachers to create engaging and interactive lessons. So with AI, the teachers can easily incorporate multimedia elements like quizzes. You can have interactive quizzes, you can have interactive presentations and videos, which can help capture students' attention and making the learning experience more enjoyable and memorable. So this AI in education doesn't mean that we are going to replace the teachers, but rather it is just going to support the teachers in their endeavors. So the power of AI, the teachers can meet the needs of the students and also provide a effective, meaningful learning experience. So how did this AI prepare the students for the future? In this challenging world, it is very crucial to prepare the students for the future by giving the necessary skills and knowledge. So, with the advent of AI and its integration into education, learning has become more dynamic and interactive. So AI in education offers various tools and technologies that enhance the learning experience. So this customized approach allows the students to explore in their own depth, in their own topic, with their own speed, leading to the deeper understanding of the subject. It can assist the teacher in the innovative and effective teaching methods. It can analyze the student data. It can help the educators to identify areas of improvement. It can also provide a targeted support to the students so that they receive the necessary guidance and attention. So the students also gain exposure to the cutting edge technology and develop the skills required for the future job market. So the students and the teachers have to use the various AI tools and the platforms, preparing them for the world where AI is increasingly pervasive. It also fosters on the critical thinking and problem solving skills in the students. Though interactive learning environments and virtual simulations, the students can engage in the real world scenarios and develop their analytical abilities. They learn to think creatively and find innovative solutions to the complex problems. So, this AI is transforming the learning experience and preparing the students for the future. So it provides personalized learning, innovative teaching methods, exposure to advanced technology, and fosters the critical thinking skills. In this AI in education, we can equip the students with the various skills they need to thrive in the ever evolving world. So we are moving to addressing the learning disabilities. This AI technology has the potential to revolutionize the teaching and the learning experience for the students with the learning abilities. So the power of AI, the educators can provide the personalized support and interventions to the unique needs of the students. Then the AI in education is its ability to adapt and adjust to the learning style and the pace of the students with the learning abilities, learning disabilities, and it can analyze the data on the progress and the performance of each student, identifying the areas of difficulty and customize the learning strategies. Through AI, with learning disabilities, it can receive the targeted interventions and supports that can help overcome the challenges and succeed automatically. Suppose AI can provide a real time feedback and guidance during the online assessments, so it can alert the students to the errors and offers the suggestions for the improvements. Here, I have given various references. So you can also have various references where we can see about the various AI intervention, the integration of AI into education. So the AI can facilitate the learning experiences, learning environments by providing the tools and accommodations for the students. Example, I have an AI powered transcription service which can automatically generate the captions for the video content, making it accessible to students with the hearing impairments. So, by using this AI powered transcription services, I only if suppose he is not able to hear, by using your video and the generating the captions for the video content, the students will be able to see the video content and they can learn. Then by using the AI powered tutoring systems, you can also provide the students with additional practice in the areas where they struggle. So these systems can adapt the level of difficulty and provide the personalized experiences and keep the students very engaged and motivated. So adapting to different learning styles, one of the main challenge is the different learning styles of the students. So with the help of AI and teaching techniques, the learning experience of each student. So what would be the different learning styles of the students? It can include the visual, auditory methods. The visual learners prefer to see the information through the visual aids. What would be the different examples? They can visualize through the diagrams, the charts, and the videos. What will happen to the auditory learners? On the other hand, they learn best through listening and hearing information. Then we have the kinesthetic learners, who prefer a hands-on approach, where they can actively engage with the material. So there are different styles for each and every student, those who are in our class. Then We have to recognize and understand these different type of which is essential for the. So next we are moving to the technology enabled adaptation. For auditory learning, the technology can provide access to the audio recordings, the podcasts, and the online lectures. So these resources allow the students to listen, they engage with the material in a way which suits their own learning style. Then these platforms, the adaptive learning platforms powered by AI, can provide the personalized audio feedback and explanations according to the individual student needs. What about the visual aids? Visual aids can enhance the understanding and retention of information for their learners. For example, you can have the PPT, the presentation software like PPT. Then you can have which can be used to create visually appealing slides with the graphics and the charts. So this technology provides the educators with a range of tools and resources to accommodate this type of learner. Visual aids. Next is the auditory learners. The last one would be the kinesthetic learners. As I said, these students will be involving in more interactive simulations, virtual labs, and games, educational games. So these tools, they give the hands-on workshop or hands-on experience, which allows the students to practice and learn and apply their knowledge. So the AI-powered adaptive learning platforms can track the progress of the learners, this type of learners, and provide the feedback that encourages the active engagement. By leveraging the power of technology, the education can be transformed to adapt to the different learning styles of the students, and the integration of AI with these learning technologies enables a fast learning of these students, and each student can thrive and reach their full potential. So, what would be the different methods in which the technology can be done? There can be various learning methodologies like presentation softwares like PPT. Then you can have various audio recordings, podcasts, online lectures. These belongs to the auditory learners. Then you can have virtual labs, educational games, and interactive simulations for the kinesthetic learners. So these are the various technology enables and adaptations. Then we are moving on to the powerful tool for innovation in the field of AI. So one such innovation tool is the AI in education, is PPT PowerPoint presentation. It is a technology that incorporates the AI algorithms and the techniques to enhance the teaching and the learning process. So it helps to create the interactive and engaging the presentations that adapts to the needs and the preferences of the individual learners. So in education, this PPT utilizes the powered features such as the NLP, machine learning, and data analytics to provide the learning experiences. And these tools can analyze, and according to the strength and weakness of the students and the learning patterns, it allows the education to give the teaching methods accordingly to the students. This helps in improving the student engagement, retention, and the overall academic performance. By using the PPT, the educators can create the dynamic and interactive presentations that facilitate the active learning. These presentations can include the multimedia content, then interactive quizzes, the simulations, so that we can make the learning process more immersive and engaging for the students. Then another way is the ability to provide instant feedback and assessment. So as soon as we provide the lessons or we cover the chapters, we have to give instant feedbacks and assessments for the students so that their performance in a real time uh, can be improved, and also personalized feedback and customized feedbacks can help the students in understanding their progress and enable the teachers also to provide the targeted interventions. AI in education, PPT, is a role of technology in shaping the future of education. So with innovative tools and techniques to foster the learning experiences, this teaching becomes more effective, engaging. It leads to the enhanced student outcomes. So this education, this integration of AI and the PPT, it is revolutionizing the way we teach and the students learn. So it is a driving innovation in enhancing teaching practices and through various learning methodologies and two different learning styles of students. So with the continuous advancements in AI technology, the field of education looks even more promising. So this PPT templates for AI. So we in today's digital age, AI has revolutionized the way we live, the way we learn, the way we work. So this technology has made its own way into the field of education by enhancing the PowerPoint presentation to become a popular medium. So creating visually appealing and informative PPTs on AI, it can be a more challenging task. And however, these PPT templates which are available can help the educators and the students effortlessly to make great presentations. Benefits of using the PPT templates. What would be the various key benefits of using the PPT templates for AI in education? It could be time saving. Suppose I sit and type everything, it takes long hours. Suppose I'm using the PPT templates for AI in education. It provides a ready-made design and layouts, and it allows users like students or teachers to save time on creating the presentation from scratch. The second benefit would be the visual appeal. So well-designed templates can make the presentation visually engaging, attracting the attention of the audience. The third one would be the consistency. So using the PPT templates, it ensures the consistency of the design elements such as graphics, fonts, colors throughout the presentations. Then customization, it is very easy customization. Like templates often come with predefined placeholders, making it very easy to insert your text or images or any other multimedia elements. Then professionalism. Using professionally designed PPT templates can enhance the quality and the credibility of the presentation. So whenever the teachers use the PPT templates for AI in education, it gives you more presentable and it is time saving. So the benefits are time saving, visual appeal, consistency, easy customization, and the professionalism. Choosing the right PPT template for AI in education. See, we have different PPT templates, but we have to pick the right PPT template for the AI in education. So we have to see the essential, what are the different factors in considering in selecting the PPT template. One is the relevance. So we have to choose a template that aligns with the topic of AI in education to ensure the content is effectively delivered. Then we have to look for the design. So look for the templates with a clean and modern design that complements the content, ensuring a visually appealing presentation. The next one is functionality. So consider the templates that gives you different slide layouts, the transitions, the animation effects, and which enhances the overall learning experience. The next one is the customizability. So we are going to choose the right templates, allowing easy customization, allowing users to tailor their presentation. The next one is the compatibility. Verify that the templates are compatible with the presentation software, which can be used to avoid any compatibility issues. So choosing the right one is the most important thing in for AI in education. So what would be the various considerations, the relevance, the design, the functionality, the customizability, and the compatibility. Moving on to the next slide, we are going to creating, engaging the presentation. So in today's technology-driven era, incorporating the innovative teaching tools into the education are vital for enhancing the learning experience. AI has revolutionized the way we teach and learn, and one such tool is the PPT. So when creating the presentation, it is essential to use the AI-powered features to captivate the students' attention and make the content more engaging. So it provides various options for enhancing the visual appeal and the interactive nature of the presentations. Then moving on to some key ways to create the engaging presentation. We have to use more and more multimedia which will integrate the images, the videos, and audios into your slides to illustrate and make the content more dynamic. Then Add the interactive elements. So, for example, you can use elements like quizzes, polls, then interactive activities to engage the active participation and foster a deeper understanding of the topic. Then we can use the AI generated visuals. So these tools can be used like graphs, charts, and diagrams that enhance the clarity and the comprehension of the content. Then we can use the real-time feedback that provides the instant feedback and suggestion, helping the students identify the areas of improvements. Then we can create the personalized learning experiences. We can use various AI algorithms to tailor the content and also the delivery based on the student needs and preferences, fostering a more effective learning experience. So these are the key ways or key facts to create the engaging presentations. Use more and more interactive elements. Use more multimedia. Utilize more multimedia like videos, images, and audio. Then you can use interactive elements like quizzes, polls. Then use visuals like charts, graphs, diagrams. Then you can use real-time feedbacks and create the personalized learning experience. So by leveraging the power of AI in creating the presentations, the educators will have they use more AI powered tools and techniques that can improvise, that can revolutionize the education, and we can keep the students engaged and enhance their learning outcomes. So this offers an immense opportunities for innovation in education. So with the help of AI powered tools like presentations, teachers can create engaging content that captures the students' attention. So visualizing the complex concepts. So, for example, you have complex concepts. How can it be visualized using the AI? How can you use the AI for the visual effects? So, with the introduction of AI-powered tools and technologies, they can now visualize the complex concepts in a new and interactive way. So, traditionally, they often use the textbooks, lectures, and static images to learn the concepts, to learn the complex concepts. But nowadays, with the help of AI, they can create new dynamic presentations, which helps the students more active and they enjoy their classes. So by using the AI tools, power tools, educators can transform the abstract concepts into the visual presentations that are very easy for the students to understand. So the complex theories and ideas can be broken down into the smaller components or smaller concepts, allowing the students to learn more effectively. So moreover, yes. Moreover, the AI technology allows for real-time feedback, enabling the students to receive the immediate corrections and the guidance, and it can greatly enhance the learning experience and help the students to overcome the challenges in understanding the concepts. So, in education, students can now explore and interact with the complex objects in a way that was previously not possible. So, it involves the learning, hands-on or working experience, hands-on workshop that promotes the critical thinking and problem solving skills. So, through the use of AI powered tools and technologies, the educators can create interactive PPTs which can make the students engage and learn more in an effective manner. Then, incorporating the interactive features. So, AI is revolutionizing the education industry by transforming the learning experience for students. So, the PPTs can go beyond the traditional static slides and offer the interactive content that encourages the active participation from the students. So, what would be the different features which can help the students learn more effectively? You can include the interactive features like quizzes, games, simulations that allow the students to think in a more practical and hands-on manner. Then by incorporating the interactive features into the PPTs, the educators can create a more dynamic teaching environment that fosters the critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration skills. they are no longer the passive recipient of information, and they are going to be the active participant in their own learning journey. Then it can enable, it helps the educators to learn to easily track and analyze the students' progress. Then it can help the students to understand their strengths, allowing for the targeted learning interventions. So the incorporation of interactive features in PPTs through AI, it is best and innovative approach in education, and it enhances the learning experience by providing the students with different interactive tools, as we have discussed. And this transformation in teaching methodology brings a more effective learning way of acquiring knowledge. So delivering, when it comes to the delivering of impactful presentations in the field of learning, we can advent the AI. We can advent the AI and the use of PPT in the teaching and learning process. Then AI-powered PPTs, it is going to help the educators to create and interactive and engaging the presentations that capture the students' attention. The role of technology. The way for various tools and technologies that enhance the effectiveness of presentations from multimedia, then visual effects, then audio effects. These integration of technology in presentations promotes the active learning and the student engagement, and also allowing them to analyze the effectiveness of their presentation. Uh, uh, we can also understand the students' interaction with the teachers by giving the feedbacks and identifying the areas for improvement. The teachers can continuously refine their teaching methods to maximize the learning outcomes. Then, what would be the power of visuals? It is a crucial role in today's education, where the information in visually appealing manner, it helps to capture the attention of the students and enhance their comprehension. Then the visually stunning multimedia that aids in explaining the complex concepts and the ideas, not only supports the understanding, but also it helps in simulating the creativity and the critical thinking of the students. And visuals can also help in retaining the information better, as they serve as memory cues. So by incorporating the relevant images, charts, and graphs, the educators can reinforce the key points, and it can be useful for a long-term retention of the knowledge. So what would be the benefits of AI-powered presentations? It can be used in personalized learning experience. It can enhance the student engagement. It can be used in interactive and immersive learning. It can be in improved comprehension and understanding, then efficient data analysis for continuous improvement. So AI, by using the AI-powered point presentation, the educators can deliver the impactful and engaging the presentations that promote the active learners. So AI exhibited by machines or software. It involves the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. So AI can play play a significant role in enhancing the teaching learning process. So it can also improve the way the students learn, and it can also improve the way the teachers teach. So benefits, it can be used for personalized learning. As I said, the teachers and the students can learn in their own way by personalized learning. Then intelligent tutoring, so it can provide immediate feedback, the suggestions, then adaptive instructions based upon the students' needs or based upon the students' performance. The third one is enhanced accessibility. It can help overcome all the barriers in education by providing the tools and technologies that supports the learners with disabilities or language barriers. Then efficient administrative tasks like data analysis, grading, scheduling of works, and so that the teachers can focus more on the teaching. These are the different benefits of AI. What would be the challenges and considerations? So till now we have seen how what would be the different uses of AI. Now we are moving to the challenges and considerations. Data privacy and security is first challenge. The use of AI in education, it involves collecting and analysis of all the large amounts of data. which raises concerns about the privacy and the security. So whenever AI is going to have large amounts of data, so it deals to data privacy and security. That has to be preserved in a great manner. Else, all the data would be taken by anyone. Anybody can hack the data, and the security of the data is being first challenge. Next comes the equity and accessibility, ensuring access to the AI tools and technologies is crucial to prevent the digital divide and ensure that all the students can benefit from its advantages. So accessibility is one of the challenge, and the reliability and bias. AI systems are only as reliable as the data they are trained on. Okay, and the data can result in biased outcomes. It is important to address on the potential needs where AI is where we are going to implement the AI in education. So AI has the potential to revolutionize the education by providing personalized learning experiences, then intelligent tutoring, enhanced accessibility, and efficient administrative tasks. Then how do you present the case studies? One of the best effective ways to show the benefits and improvement in AI in education is through case studies. The real life examples should explain, it should demonstrate how the AI powered tools and the technologies have revolutionized the learning experience. It should provide evidence of the effectiveness of AI innovations in education. They highlight the various ways in which AI can be integrated into the classrooms and the teaching environments. For example, a case study might showcase how an AI-powered learning platform it uses the algorithms to personalize the content and provide the targeted feedback to the students. This personalization helps the students to better engage with the material and improve their understanding of the subject. Another case study, it might focus on the uses of AI chatbots. So what is a chatbot? It is going to provide you the instant support and guidance to the questions asked by the students, answering their questions, giving the responses, and giving the feedbacks in the real time. This not only improves the students' confidence and autonomy, but also allows the teachers to focus more on the individualized instruction. Then AI in education case study also showcase the use of AI technology in accessing the performance of the students and providing the learning pathway of the students. So by analyzing the vast amounts of data, it can identify the strength and the weakness of the student and where they are struggling, and we can provide the target interventions. We can do the personalized monitoring or mentoring the students to help them improve in their weak areas. So overall, presenting a case study is an effective way to communicate the transformative power of AI in education. They provide the examples of how AI innovations are reshaping the learning experience and to adopt the new technologies and teaching approaches. So, what would be the benefits of presenting the case studies? It is going to demonstrate the effectiveness of AI in education. It showcases the integration of AI into the classrooms. It highlights the potential impact of student learning. It illustrates the personalized learning approaches, and it emphasizes the role of AI in student assessment, transforming the experiences. So with the as an example of AI, you can use an intelligent tutoring system which can adapt to the individual needs of the students by providing the instructions and the feedback. Then these systems can analyze the student data and identify the areas where they need support or challenge and allowing them for a customized learning experience. Then how the AI catches the teachers in their day-to-day task. The day-to-day task can be done by AI, freeing the time for the station. There are these Are you able to see my slides, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry for the inconvenience. It is some
It's okay.
network
It's okay,
issues,
ma'am.
sir.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, continue, ma'am, please.
So, we were talking about enhancing the teacher capabilities. So this AI, it has a potential to significantly enhance the capabilities of the teachers. By automating the administrative tasks such as grading and scheduling, it is going to free up the teachers' time, allowing them to focus on their meaningful interactions with the students. Then teachers can adjust their teaching methods and strategies to better engage the students, and it can make a more effective learning environment. So the integration of AI in education, I can hear some noise at the back side. I can hear someone talking at the back. Will you be able to mute it? So the integration of AI in education, it has fundamentally changed the teaching methods. This innovation in teaching methods is driving a transformation in the learning experience, making education more accessible, engaging, and effective. So we are moving to adopting the. Sir, I can hear some noise in between, sir. Will you be able to mute? Can anyone mute it, please? Excuse me. Can anyone help me? Somebody has not muted and I can hear only that.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
சார் யாரோ பேசிட்டே இருக்காங்க சார், அதனால என்னால பேச முடியல. எனக்கு வாய்ஸ்
ma'am.
கேக்குது.
Yeah. Tell me, ma'am. சொல்லுங்க, ma'am.
அதான் சார் யாரோ அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு பேசிட்டே இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருந்தது. Just wanted to inform you that, sir.
இல்ல, ma'am. நீங்க வந்து இதுல மியூட்ல தான் இருக்கீங்க.
Okay, thank you, sir. So
நீங்க
the
மியூட் தான்
benefits
இருக்கீங்க.
of
மத்த எல்லா பார்ட்ஸ் வந்து அன்மியூட்ல இருக்காங்க.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So the benefits of AI in education, we have different tools with the different benefits to both the educators and the learners. So this enables the teachers to gain the valuable insights into the student performance and the progress, allowing them to tailor their teaching methods to the individual needs. So this helps to create more engaging and customized learning experiences, increasing the learner motivation and satisfaction. Then AI tools in practice, there are various wide ranges of tools for different aspects of the education. For example, we can have the intelligent tutoring system. Then we have different AI tools for automatic grading and assessment. We have the adoption of tools for different educators to embrace their technology and incorporate their own best teaching practices. Then the integration of AI into the education is revolutionizing the way we teach and learn. So these tools provide the educators with powerful data analysis capabilities and offer the learners and the students and the teachers to offer the personalized and adaptive learning experiences. So by adopting these tools, we can unlock the full potential of AI in education and transform the learning experience for different worldwide, discovering the new learning opportunities. So in today's rapidly evolving world, the technology plays a very important role in transforming the field of education. So by analyzing the data and monitoring the process, the AI can identify the areas where a student may be struggling and allowing the teachers to provide the targeted support and interventions. So with this AI and the development of AI teaching methodologies, new learning opportunities has been discovered in enhancing the student engagement. So AI can analyze the various amounts of data about the student performance. Then it also enhances the student engagement by through various AR and VR, expanding the access to education. We have different use of AI powered technologies. Education is becoming more accessible, inclusive, and tailored to the individual needs of the students. Then it can provide the real-time translation service and assistive technologies with language barriers. Online teaching platforms powered by AI can make education more simple and more accessible, allowing the students to learn at their own pace. So we have basic questions. How is AI transforming the learning experience? So by providing the personalized and adaptive learning experience for students, it can be used in transforming the learning experience and helps the students to track their own progress and improve their learning. What are some examples of AI used in education? So some examples of AI would be intelligent tutoring system, which provides the personalized instruction and the feedback to the students. Then virtual reality simulations are available for immersive learning experiences. Then there are various natural language processing tools which can analyze and understand the students' written or the spoken responses. It is also being used for intelligent content creation and recommendation, helping the educators to create and deliver the materials with high quality and less time. Then, what are the benefits of AI in education? As we have discussed, it can provide personalized adaptive learning experiences, help the students to learn their own style, and the educators to identify the areas where the students are weak. Then it can automate the administrative tasks, free up the time for the educators to focus on the instruction. It can also provide the students with instant feedbacks and assessment, promoting the continuous education, learning, and improvement. So is AI replacing the teachers in the classroom? No, it is just going to support us, and it cannot replace the human connection and expertise the teachers brings the learning experience. It is meant to enhance and not the replace of the teachers. It can play a crucial role in guiding and facilitating the students' learning, and it can support by providing the data that inform their instructional decisions. So what would be the powerful challenges associated with AI in education? So there are various challenges like AI systems require access to the student information in order to provide the learning
Ma'am,
experiences.
you are mute.
There are also concerns about the equity at the access. Then they may have the same level of access to the AI-powered tools and the resources. Additionally, there is also a concern about the potential bias and discrimination that AI algorithms may exhibit. So what is the role of AI? To enhance the teaching, the learning experience provided by the teachers, and also analyze the student data. How can the AI transform the learning experience? Same way, it is going to allow the students to learn at their own pace and in a way that suits their individual needs. So can AI replace human teachers? No. What are the some examples we have seen? Any doubts you have? Thank you. I have completed my session. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Yeah, participants, you can unmute yourself and ask doubts. Participants, if you have any doubt, you can ask. But before that, you have to unmute yourself. Yes, participants, if you have any doubt?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
So regarding any doubts, you can just mail me to aidsHOD@act.edu.in, or you can, yes.
No doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So you can contact me further if you have any doubts. My email ID is aidshod@act.edu.in, and my contact number is 97898 27194. I repeat,
Sir, please send that WhatsApp number
yes,
in chat box.
definitely. Yes,
Speed
sure,
up,
sure.
போட்டுறீங்களா? Sorry, sir.
Mail ID also.
போட்டுருங்க.
Second.
Sir, please send the WhatsApp number and mail ID in chat box.
Yes, sir. So this is my WhatsApp number and this is my mail ID. So I'll share you the slides to Revati ma'am. So Revati ma'am, I kindly request you to share the slide to all the participants. Thank you. Since this is a generalized topic, this slide will be more theoretical. So if it is anything related to practical, a separate session will be handled by different resource person. Thank you. Anything else? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Shall I leave the session?
Wait, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for all your feedbacks.
Yes, ma'am. We will finish the session with the vote of thanks.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. First, I would like to thank the college management and our director and assistant director, Dr. Ahmed Mudassar Ali and Dr. Usha ma'am. Next, I would like to thank events team of Miyasi Institute of Information Technology and all the staff members of the college for initiating and organizing this 5 days FDP on exploring new frontiers in teaching tools, AI and data analytics. Next, I would like to thank today's session resource person, Dr. M.V. Aishwarya ma'am, for delivering and enlightening the session. And thanks to all the participants for wonderful cooperation throughout the session. Thank you and all. Thank you.
I thank all the management and the people of the college. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
I thank each and everyone.
Yeah,
of
thank you,
Miyasi
ma'am.
Institute
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the
giving
wonderful
this
session,
wonderful
ma'am.
opportunity. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
ஒரு 2 minutes wind up பண்ணாங்க.
Participants feedback we will.
Thank you, ma'am. Aishwarya.
போட்டாச்சு.
Participants, please fill the feedback form.
கரெக்ட்லி.
Participants, kindly fill the feedback form correctly.
சார் யூடியூப் இன்னும் ஒரு தடவை போட்டுருங்க. நான் வந்திருக்கு. லிங்க் உள்ள போகுது பக்காவா.
Can I leave the session, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can do. You can, ma'am. You can. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
அது எப்படி எடிட் பண்ணுவீங்க? பண்ணிக்கிறீங்களா? பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுங்க, நான் குரூப்ல போட்டு விட்டுறேன்.
கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. 10 minutes take down பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
Participants, please fill the feedback form.
அந்த ரெக்கார்ட் லிங்க் எடிட் பண்றேன்றீங்க. கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா குரூப்ல அதுக்கு பார்த்து உங்களை ஆட் பண்ண முடியல. இல்லைன்னா குரூப் ஆட் பண்றேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் வந்து ஸ்டார்டிங்ல ஆட் பண்ணி விட்டுறேன். ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் 186 இருக்குல்ல. போட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் 3 நிமிஷத்துல 180.
அவங்க ஸ்டாஃப் அப்படிதான் இருப்பாங்க.
Participants, please fill the feedback form. இல்ல மேம் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கணும். அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். சில பேர் ஆன் பண்ணி விட்டுருப்பாங்க.
ஆன் பண்ணி விட்டு நிப்பாங்க. நாளைக்கு
ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிருக்கேன். யூடியூப் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
இப்போ போய் என்ட்ரு ஆகறாங்க பாருங்க ஜூம்ல 2 பேர்.
லைவ் ஸ்ட்ரீம் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி